Hello, welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door, if you're right. Today we're talking about Beyonce and Adidas. What happened? They ended their partnership. Let's go back to when everything began. In April 2021, it was announced that Beyonce and Adidas would be parting ways after a successful partnership that began in 2019. The partnership was formed with the aim of creating a new line of athletic wear and sneakers called Ivy Park, which was launched in January 2020. The collaboration between Beyonce and Adidas was highly anticipated. The release of the Ivy Park collection generated a lot of buzz and excitement among fans and fashion enthusiasts. Despite the success of the collaboration, it was reported that Beyonce and Adidas had decided to end their partnership due to creative differences. Details of the disagreement between the two parties were not disclosed, but it was reported that Beyonce had been looking for more control over the direction of the brand and was not satisfied with the way things were going. By the way, it is worth to know that Beyonce has a reputation, and that reputation is a reputation of being highly involved and hands-on creative partner. And she likely wanted to have more input in the design and the marketing of the Ivy Park collection. And I am sure Adidas was saying, hey, I am grandpa when it comes to all these things. So you know what? I've been in this industry before the inception of you and your mama and your whole family. So listen, I'm gonna have more control over this, and you need to just chill somewhere, just focus on your day job, which is making music, and being Mama Carter, and let me run the show. And Beyonce, the Beehive was like, no, we are not hearing it. I want my damn partnership. But hey, despite the end of the partnership with Adidas, Beyonce continued to release new collections under the Ivy Park brand, which is now an independent label. In addition to apparel and footwear, the brand has also expanded into accessories such as sunglasses, hats, and bags. The Ivy Park brand has been highly successful, selling out quickly and receiving positive reviews from critics. Overall, while the collaboration between Beyonce and Adidas may have come to an end, it seems that the Ivy Park brand is stronger than ever and continues to thrive under Beyonce's creative direction. So let me give you a little bit of history behind Ivy Park brand. Beyonce, who is 41, originally launched Ivy Park with Topshop in 2016. However, apparently in 2018, the singer acquired 100% of the brand from a British billionaire, Philip Green's company, after he faced allegations of sexual harassment, bullying, and racism. According to page 6, the following year, the Drunken Love singer teamed up with Adidas to launch an inclusive unisex line that catered to both men and women. So, was the brand truly costing Adidas lots of money? Was this the reason why the split or the breakup? We're yet to know. Anyway, we wish both parties all the best. If you're enjoying this, please make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Share comments. We love to read your comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.